Hi, this is Isa from Product Team at Landbot, and I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent to collect the intent of the user and then use it to route the conversation towards the right place. So to do that, I'm just going to navigate to AI agents and then create a new AI agent. I'll do it for web. I could do it in WhatsApp. And I'm going to name it. It's going to, I don't know, it's going to be called Patrick. It's going to be an intent detection agent, and I'm going to just say, hi, Patrick, how can I help you today? To have a specified prompt, I'm just going to delete this one and paste my own. I'm going to read it to you. So I'll share this in an article in case you want to use it, but I'm going to say you're an intent detection agent working for Landbot. Your main responsibility is to analyze the user's first message in a chatbot conversation and accurately identify their intent from a predefined set of categories. Once you collect the intent, let the user know you'll route the conversation towards the right place. You need to classify the intent, assign one primary intent to the user message from a predefined list, and options can be product, support, pricing, account feedback, rating, or other. So if the message is not clear, just return unclear as a result. Language awareness, so just talk to the user in their language, but always return the intent name in English. Don't hallucinate, don't reply to the user, give a structured output. If in case you don't understand it, just say unclear. And then I'm giving some examples like I need to help connecting my bot to WhatsApp. That's going to be support inquiry. Hello, it's going to be a greeting, etc., etc., etc. What I want the agent to do is to collect it and store it in a field. So I'm just going to create my own field. I'm going to name it intent of the user upon joining the chatbot. I'm gonna name it user intent. And also I want to capture the name and the email from the user so that I can see it. So that would be it. My agent is created. And I'm gonna publish. And I'm gonna test it. Hi, Patrick. I need help with WhatsApp bots. Okay. And let's say to provide the best assistant on WhatsApp bots, I'll route your conversation towards the support team. Could you please provide your name and email address so I can proceed? Yes. My name is Isa. And my email is isabel@landbot.io. I'm just gonna do that and it should finish the conversation. Okay, thank you. I'll just see that what is the password. Okay, that's good. But actually, I haven't routed anywhere because I don't have any bot to route it to. So what I'll do next is just go and create my own chatbot. I'm gonna start it from scratch, and I'm gonna name it route intent, for example, and I'll just proceed to create my own bot. What I'll do is I'll just start with any block. I don't really care about this, but I'm just gonna say, hi, how are you? I don't really need this for my user, but it's something mandatory at Landbot that I need to create like a welcome block. I'm not gonna use it this time. So I'll just close it and save it. That's okay, but I'll do like a keyword jump now. Why? Because I want the user to user intent. This is what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna add the options that I wanted. So one was product, the other was support. Then I'm gonna do pricing. I said also I want an account. Use one word only keywords because keywords block doesn't support multi-word things. So you just need to use one, and then it's gonna be feedback, and then anything else. So that's gonna be it. I'm gonna apply it. And then I can just route the conversation in a different place. For example, I could do if you do product, if you go for product, I'll just say, okay, I'll just send a message and I'll just say, hi, here's our product catalog. And if I had something, I would just add some media and attach my thing. So I don't have anything prepared here. That's what I could do. So I just could upload my file or whatever I wanted. And I could just share it. If I wanted to personalize it, I could even go further and just say a hi name, and that's your product catalog. Why? Because I'm using name to cut it from the previous step. If I wanted support, I want it to talk to a person, so I'm just gonna say human takeover, and I'm gonna assign it to assistant beta agent because that's the one that I have. So I'm just apply it. If it's about pricing, I'll just go and send it to my sales team. So I'm just gonna use Calendly link block. So and I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna use agents, Jackie's account, and I'm gonna use like this consulting call. Hi, please book sometime in my calendar. Book. Not now. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna apply it. So I would have the user redirected to some agent person or a salesperson. Sorry. If I wanted to be like, I don't know, for account management, I'm gonna send an email to my support team. So from my account that I have it already, okay, thanks. I'm gonna say it to use field, and I would use email because I collected it. And my subject would be like, I don't know, your request. And I could say, hi, we redirected your message. Our account management team, as an example. So, but I could do something more beautiful than this. I'm gonna remove the Landbot branding. And then if it's about feedback, I'm gonna just ask a question. So, I'm gonna ask a question. So please share your feedback with us. What is it about? And I'm gonna create a new field that is gonna be named feedback. And for anything else, so probably I'm gonna just go and say human takeover. I'm gonna publish this spot because I needed to publish. But then what I want is the agent to jump to the right place. So what I'll do is I want it to jump to this step. So what I'll do is I'll just copy my block ID. I have it copied in my computer, and I'll just go back to Patrick and say, okay, when the user, what's the exit condition of this agent? So when the user intent is collected, that's the condition that I'm going to use. Search for a bot. And I named this root intent. And then I'm going to specify the block ID that I want, and I'm just going to paste it. And I'm going to publish it. So now I have my assistant here. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and test. Hi, my name is Patrick. How can I help you today? So I'll just say, hi, Patrick. I want to integrate WhatsApp in Landbot. Okay, can I have your name, please? Yes, sure. Isabel. That's it. Oh, sure, of course. I'm gonna do my landbot.io. And what should happen next is that it should be sending me to the assistant beta support agent that I configure in my human takeover. And I'm gonna test the different things so that you see it can be different. And I'm gonna say, hi, Patrick. I would like to learn about Landbot pricing. Of course, Isabel. I'm gonna give my email again. And it should offer me like, oh, okay, book sometime in my calendar. I'm gonna book it. I'm just gonna have like a little account that I also configured. And what I want to show you last is how you can see this data in a format of a table. So, for example, I have like pricing. That's what my inquiry was about last time, and then previously it was about support. I could also open the chat if I wanted to read it. And that's about it. So thank you very much. I'll share this article with you so that you can do something alike, and then you can connect AI agents and bots. I hope you enjoy it and that it will help you build your own things. Thanks a lot. Bye.